Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms here. I just wanted to show you the Rollo thermal printer that we picked up to put the labels on all of our produce. Alright, here it is. Rollo thermal printer. We got thermal paper. We use 3x5. Design our label on the Mac. There's ours right there. Choose how many we want. 19. Print. And then away it goes. And just like that, we have fresh printed labels. From there, we just sticker them on our bags. Do the raz shoots higher. You got a nice product underneath. Pea shoots, I do the bottom, cover up the stems. And we have our perfect little bag, labeled and ready for market. Hope you guys like what you saw here today. If you did, like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.